Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit watermark in a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now I'll edit this watermark. Click on this edit menu. Now select watermark option and select here update watermark. And this is our watermark. You can say this watermark name also if you want. I'll not say this watermark name. I'll change this watermark color. Also this color and see this, and also I'll make this bold, and this proportion of this watermark I'll make it 70 and increase this watermark size, and this watermark position also you can change here and see this. Also you can manually change this watermark position if you want. And this style watermark I will add this style watermark, and gap I'll increase this raw space and this column space and see this. Also rotate this watermark minus 45. Also you can rotate custom rotation, and this transparency I'll change this transparency, and you can insert watermark behind text on in front of this text, and I'll choose all page range and simply select apply and see this our watermark now since yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.